In today's video, we go canoeing at University Lake, North Carolina. In this lake, you are not allowed to swim and must stay in your boat at all times because we may contaminate the water. Water from this lake is often used as a source for drinking water. It is a somewhat small lake, so we covered most of the area. At the edge of the water, we find a very large feather, probably from a hawk. We stop at a shaded area for a quick lunch break. We come across a family of ducklings and their mother. A sunglow after giant leopard gecko. Sunglow is one of the morph traits which gives him parts of the color here. And the after is a shrimper albino patternless orange leopard gecko.